Complete na ba ito?
Ticket na lang po. Thank you, Angela.
So we're gonna look for the best dancer in the arena. If the camera pauses on you, then you should just go for it. Okay, just go for it. The boys are watching backstage. This is their chance. Let me see. Someone's watching the videos and practicing. Let's watch this one. Who can do this move? come back. We'll have you right back. If you have been paradox invaded in your heart, out of the country? Do we have people who came out of the country? Yes, yes. The engines have come from far and wide to be with the boys today. Who else? Jake. Oh, Jake bogey so much. Aren't they all bogey so much? They are so bogey so much. Who among you feel like the boys were there for you during a really difficult time? Who's celebrating a special day today? Do we have birthdays? Or we're just, it doesn't matter. The most special day is that we are here, all of us, to give our love to Enhypen, right? That is the most special, that is the sweetest. So are you ready to do that right now? So we practiced something earlier, and we wanted to show you this, all right? Everybody, are you ready? English first. And Filipino. And Korean. 1, 2, 3, go! You can do it, come on!
Manila, long time no see. Hey, Manila, nice to see you again. I'm good. Thank you for coming. 저는 안녕하세요 알잖아요. 저는 you know 안녕하세요 diba in Tagalog?
Kumusta?
We are so mabuti. Thank you so much. It's been a while since you guys, came back to the Philippines from your tour. How do you feel being back here? Jake, maybe you can get it started. How do you feel?
Me? Jay or
Jake.
Jay. Well, last time we came here, we remember having you guys having so much energy. The guys were crazy, so we were very happy to be back, and we're very much looking forward to,
I like it. Okay, let's start creating those sweet memories together. We prepared some really exciting segments. Here we go. Today we prepared some really, really fun segments. Let me introduce you to I'll just give everybody a moment, to get you guys close up and kind of move.
내가 할게. 같이 하자. 이거 진짜 맛있을 것 같아.
맛이 나는 게 아니라 숨이 잠깐만 당했겠는데 안마해서 이 정도
저거 먹었었나요?
Did we eat that ba? Did we eat?
근데 되게 불맛이 되게 강했던 걸로 기억을 해요.
Grabe talaga yung flavor na smokiness nun eh.
Parang lasang apoy na siya, di ba? What about you, Jay? Do you remember what it tasted like?
Yeah, I just remember because of this video that someone singing "Fire" was really interesting.
It seems though that you guys enjoy meat, right? Would you say that's something that you like to enjoy and that's in your diet? What kind of meat do you guys like? Jake, do you what kind of meat do you enjoy?
A nice juicy steak. with some French fries, some chips, some mashed potatoes.
Delicious. What about you?
저는 닭고기, 소고기, 돼지고기 사실 다 좋아해요.
Actually, gusto ko lahat ng types ng meat, yung chicken, pork, beef, kahit ano.
That was hilarious. You know what's so funny? You guys were all turned around to watch the video, and I can see how you guys were reacting to the video. Just from how you looked at the back. But he said yes. Tell us a little bit.
컨텐츠니까 재밌고 싶어서 욕심을
Content kasi yun, kaya naging greedy kami sa content, kaya ganun yung content namin.
I think this is pretty self-explanatory. And then you will dance the choreo of the song that you guys picked, but without the music. You guys have to guess what song they are dancing to. If you guess it correctly, then we're gonna have a dance break with Enhypen, with you guys together. Okay? Our first subunit is Chongwon, Sungwon, and Nikki.
너무 쉬울 것 같아요. 어떻게든 맞추게.
Sa tingin ko, madali lang to para sa engines.
I super. I agree. I agree.
이제 벌써?
Second verse?
너가 아무 생각이니까.
Isa ba? Ikaw yung lead choreographer natin, Nikki. So ikaw na lang.
갈게요.
Okay, we'll do it na.
오빠. 에이. 너무 쉽다.
Ang dali lang naman.
Okay. Do we have the answer? Which song are they dancing to? Is Bite Me the correct answer? Please show us the title of the song.
원진분들이 모르는 저의 안무가 별로 없는 것 같아요.
Sa tingin ko, wala namang choreography na hindi nyo alam ng mga engines, no?
오케이.
Ang dali lang naman, no?
Venom is correct. The boys are right, of course. There is no choreo that you will not recognize.
Ano yun?
5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring one Enhypen member to the front, and you guys can strike a pose. Okay, like if you guys were to take a picture, what pose would you strike? To look for someone who is wearing whatever the Enhypen member is wearing in the picture. Okay.
Actually, ang lawak ng stage na I was not able to go sa front of stage. Sobra ba?
Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Same outfit with Jongwon.
It's a picture. What's... Oh, we found her. Okay. What's the pose? Okay, twinning angel. All right, up next we got Jay. We found her. Oh, what's your pose? Jay, what's your pose?
보여줘.
Show it.
I'll just make something special right now. Let's go. 3, 2,
Strike a pose. Twinning angel. Thank you very much, Jay. Come on down, Sangwon.
Para sa akin?
host ka.
Okay, let's do it.
There we go. Twinning on. Love it. All right.
Oh, good.
Sangwon.
Good job.
Good, Sanu. Strike a pose, Sanu.
Okay, ito na.
Twinning. Adorable. Thank you.
Okay, punta ka Sarah.
Twinning engine.
오늘 그거 입고
Parehas yung t-shirt nyo ngayon.
Oh, you guys are gonna put together.
Perfect mo.
Thank you guys. Thank you. And thank you for the ones who are bringing us this very special family with icon. And so let's give bench everyone. Bench in right now on the stage to take this picture. Yes, you know what? You guys should look there, I think, and then have the okay. Everyone looking to the screen, guys. Cheers to bench. Thank you so much. Once again, it was the chairman of bench, Mr. Ben Chan. Okay, we're gonna take a big groupie now with everybody, all the Filipino engines. Nice.
Thank you for always giving us a wonderful music. Thank you for always being there for us. And high metal always together.
And will always be with you until the end. I just want to thank you for your contents that truly make me smile. Mahal ko kayo.
I want to hear how you guys are feeling right now, having experienced this time with the Indians in the Philippines, watching that.
Indians are really good at dance, like, they're really talented. And just thank you so much for this video and this event and this kind of surprise. Thank you. Mike, thank you.
We'll watch them until they disappear. I know the feeling. Are you trying? Guys, oh.
We'll be back. See you next time. Thank you. Thank you.